Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix airplane mode stuck on Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a number of different fixes what we can try. I'm going to start with the most common fixes first. So fix number one is to turn the airplane mode off from quick settings. So on your keyboard, click on Windows and A, and quick settings is going to appear like so. Then from there, basically you want to go ahead and click the airplane mode on and off and make sure that it is turned off. Now fix number two is to use the keyboard airplane mode key. So many laptops have a dedicated wireless key. So look for airplane icon, a Wi-Fi icon, or try function keys like F2, F7, F8 or F12. Pressing the key normally or holding FN plus the key. Now, next fix is to go ahead and restart network services. So to do this, we want to go ahead and click on our Windows and R for run. And now inside of run, we want to type this in. So I want to go ahead and type in services.msc. Now, we should get services appearing like so. Now, we need to find a few services inside of here. So the first one is going to be network connections. Want to right click that and click on restart. Now also radio manage services, we want to go ahead and restart that one too. And the last one is going to be WLAN auto config, so that's going to be near the bottom here. So WLAN auto config, and we want to restart that as well. Now another fix what we can try is to go ahead and disable or re-enable the network adapter. So we need to get into device manager, so type in device manager. Then from here we want to go ahead and expand our network adapters. So here it is here, and then right click onto your adapter, and then we want to go and click onto disable device, and then wait at least 10 to 20 seconds, then right click and select enable device again.